Just feel at home. When you what is the we bring you greetings. For them, they think when you die, after you have killed people, then you go to heaven. I want to assure you, there is no that heaven ever. It is not there. Now, time has come for you to enjoy peace.
After liberation, really, the situation is better. The situation is better. The people, they're seeing, you know, they're freely. They are making business and they're making really, they visit each another freely. Really, yeah, the situation is better than the, you know, past time.
They were collecting money from the civil population. There used to be a big market here for both animal and other food scraps. This year, Al-Shabaab sprang from their base in Torotoro here and attacked our Digile and Barak.
This has been a hub of Al-Shabaab since they were chased from Mogadishu and other areas of Afogoi. So they came and settled here. And they made this area to be their hub, to be their safe haven, where they could base to launch some attacks to mainly on soft targets. And when I decided to come and liberate it, there was no resistance. So this shows how weak these guys are.
We've so far recovered 2 batteries which they connect to IEDs to power. They use the solar to power the batteries and ignite the IEDs. When we raided their depot where we recovered some of these items, we recovered 1 SMG and with 41 rounds.
isbitaal lama haayo waxbarasho lama haayo masaajidadii lama haayo nimankana baabi'iyay iyaga markii oo macnaha waxa waa adduunyada masaajidadii oo dadkii ulamadii hore joogtay waa ka buriyeen waxay keeneen niman yar ay keeneen oo la ka seen codkooda markaas adiga codkooda la ka seen ay keeneen waxaan u baahnaa sidaas aligeena dugsiga quraan kul waa baabi'iyeen